Hello, I'm Matthew Avison. I'm Professor of Bacteriology at the University of Bristol. Over the last year, I've co-led a research project as part of the Arwen DGC project, an ambitious project leading on the reduction of antibiotic usage in Wales. In our part of the project, we recruited 54 sheep, beef and dairy farms across Wales. Vets visited each farm monthly for a year and collected over 1,500 environmental samples which were tested for antibiotic-resistant bacteria. In general, we found that resistance to antibiotics considered critically important in human medicine was very low. Moreover, the abundance of resistant bacteria appears lower in the winter than in the summer. Finally, we've seen indications of a decrease in resistance to certain antibiotics during the study. This fits with data from Welsh lamb and beef producers calculator, also part of Arwen DGC, which showed that on average, antibiotic use in our study farms reduced between 2021 and 2022. If confirmed by future sampling, a decrease in resistance would be just reward for the dedication of farmers and vets in reducing antibiotic use. Detailed genetic analysis of the resistant bacteria found on farm suggests that there might be some farm-to-farm transmission, but this appears uncommon, potentially because of good biosecurity practices employed by Welsh farmers. In addition to sampling, vets have delivered detailed questionnaires to farmers in our study to find more about how they manage their livestock. Ongoing analysis is investigating which farm management practices are associated with the lowest antibiotic use and resistance, improving scientific understanding and helping guide farmers to further reduce antibiotic use and resistance in the future.